What's going on, guys? It's Aaron with Lansing Lawn Service, and today I am doing an unboxing of my brand new Echo EGI 2300 generator. Okay, guys, I just got in the new Echo EGI 2300 inverter generator, and just to be perfectly clear, Echo sent me this product to do a review on it. I'm only doing an unboxing. I'm going to talk about what I think is pretty cool about it, but I'm not going to do a product review on this thing until I'm actually able to use it and put it under a heavy load. Now, I have a RV out in the driveway. We are going to go camping this year, and I am going to take this generator with me, and we're going to see how much this thing can actually handle. And if I get an opportunity, I will run some power tools off of it, things like that. Maybe a refrigerator and a microwave, just to show you what this thing can handle and how well it performs. Because I honestly don't know. I've never used it. As you can see, it's not open. So let's unbox this thing. Let's see what it looks like. Let's talk a little bit about it. We'll go from there. Okay, guys, so the box did come damaged. I'm pretty sure nothing is damaged inside of here, though, because there's a lot of room in here. So if there's anything damaged in here, obviously I will let Echo know. But for now, let's open this sucker up. This is one of their new products that came out in the lineup for 2020. That little advertising thing that they did. They came out with 20 pretty cool products for 2020, and this was the one that I was probably the most impressed with. I mean, they have a trimmer that came out, which is really cool too, and I want to check that one out a little bit more. I was able to use it. You guys may have seen the video. If you haven't seen the video, I will put the link right up here. You can go check out that video of the new Echo 20 for 20 products. Again, that link's right up here. Go check that out. All right, guys. So let's talk a little bit about what we got here. So we've got instructions. I'm not going to sort through that right now. Right on top, some instructions. We got more operators manuals and things like that here. Comes with oil. This is a 4-cycle generator inverter, so it comes with oil already in the box. That's pretty sweet. I don't know what this is yet. I will have to find out. Oh, it's this for the spark plug. It's easy to get in there and turn. It might be in a position where it's harder to get to. You can't get to it with a normal spark plug wrench probably. And so, again, I don't know where the spark plug is yet. I haven't looked at this thing up close, but spark plug wrench. Pretty cool. If you lose this, you can use something else to stick in there and get it to do the same job. All right. And of course, now comes the big heavy part. So I'm going to be right back and we're going to pull this thing out. I got to put it on the floor. All right, guys. So please don't mind the Legos. I have 2 boys. They love Legos. And so basically we keep them out all the time. Yes, they are annoying. Yes, they make the house filthy, or seem filthy anyway. But it is what it is. You can't keep boys from building. All right, let's get this thing out of here. It is quite heavy. It's a beefy unit for sure. I would advise 2 people for this job, but it's just me, so. All right, let's get this thing back up on the table. All right, let's get the foam off. I love the orange color on all Echo products, at least when they're new. Like weed trimmers and things like that, the orange does fade over time, and then it gets kind of ugly. But when it's brand new, nothing beats this Echo orange color. Got a little pack of chiclets. No, not really. Don't eat it. All right, guys. Okay guys, so let's talk just a little bit about this unit here. I want to go over just some of the simple specs of it for now. So it's 1800 running watts, and it's got 2300 starting watts. If you know anything about generators, they always advertise the starting watts and the running watts. So the running watts is really what you want to pay attention to. Starting watts, that's what it starts up at. You know, it can handle up to this load, but you should stay more around the 1800 watt range. This is a quiet generator. From what I heard from the Echo people was that they spent a lot of time insulating this unit to make it as quiet as possible, and they really did an excellent job of making this thing quiet. I heard it run at the Echo 20 for 20 product launch, if you will, and I'm telling you, this thing is quiet. So I'm really impressed with it. I haven't really seen it hold or take a load yet, so I'm very interested to see how well it does with under load. But again, this is just an unboxing. This is not a review video. That will be coming later after I get a chance to use this thing, test it out, and I will show you all those tests that I'm going to do. So let's get a little bit more information on this thing. So it's got control, which is, it's a low carbon monoxide output, and it's got a carbon monoxide shutdown. So what that does is, if you are running this like in a garage, which you should not do, but if you're running it in a garage and the carbon monoxide builds up, this thing will automatically shut off, so that no one is going to come to harm by running this thing improperly. Okay, I can't tell you how many stories I've heard of people using generators improperly. That's why they always say, if you see a generator advertisement, that you should not run it inside, because hello, carbon monoxide. All right, so up top here we've got the fuel cap, which is really cool. It's got a selector for on and off, which again is pretty sweet. I've never seen that before. So that's open. Put that back on. Now I think, oh, I guess that just opens a breathable valve maybe. I'm not sure on that. I got to look at the manual to know exactly what that is. This unit also, with the command, offers a whole digital readout for you. So what it is it connects through Bluetooth. You download an app on your phone, and you can see all the stuff that is going on with your generator on your phone. So when it's storming outside, you can put this outside. You can see what all is going on with your generator on your phone. It will tell you the fuel level. It will tell you all different kinds of things. The watt output, you can even turn this thing off from your phone, which is pretty sweet. Again, just going over everything. I don't know what everything does. Oh, it's got 2 USB ports here for charging. That's pretty darn sweet. You've got your plugs here. You've got a parallel kit, which I am not exactly sure what that is just yet, but I will find out because, again, I haven't looked at any of the manuals. It has a handle here. It telescopes out so that it's movable, very easy. I mean, this thing is pretty darn sweet, I have to say. Now, let's see what's in here. There we go. So as you can see, it's all insulated really nice. This is your engine in here. And you got your fuel filter right here, or whatever it's called. I don't even know. You got your oil right here. Easy to check. That's awesome. Let's see. The spark plug is right up here. And I'm not exactly sure how you get to that. But, of course, I'm going to find out for you because you need to know that. Also, down here, this is pretty cool. There's a little door for your lubricant right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's right under the oil valve so that you can actually change the oil in this thing without making a mess inside the unit. That's pretty sweet. So I definitely want to figure out how to change the spark plug in this unit without too many headaches. So I definitely want to figure that out for you guys and show that to you in another video. That is pretty much the unit, guys. It's really nice. I love the color. I love that it has Bluetooth technology. Come on, camera. I just love the features on this thing, and there's so much more than what I've said here right now. I really need to go look through the manual and see exactly what all this thing does. But again, this is just a first look unboxing. I really love this thing. It's going to be a great asset for me, especially with camping. This isn't going to have too much business use for me, but it may have an application for business with different things. Like I'm considering doing several parades with my business, loading up my equipment, stringing lights and things on the equipment. This would be able to run that and be very, very quiet. So there's that. Again, camping is going to be the main thing for this unit. I want to take this camping with me, but if the power goes out, I know that this thing will run my blade grinder. It will charge any tool batteries that I have, and it's going to keep me in business. So that is the main reason that I got this. And you know what? Another reason that I got it is because I wanted you guys to see it up front, personal. We haven't heard too much about these things, and I wanted to get the word out about them because I really think this is an awesome product from Echo that's not necessarily in the lines of lawn care, but it is certainly something that could keep your business running if the power goes out. Make sure to look down in the description for the price point on this unit. I have to look it up. I don't know right off the top of my head, but it is very affordable compared to, say, Honda or some other units that are out there in the quiet generator field. So definitely check that out. It is affordable. You can get these online, I believe, through Home Depot if you don't want to go to your dealer or if you are not close to a dealer. I really think this is an awesome product, and I would recommend checking it out. I can't recommend it yet because I haven't run it. I haven't put a load on it. So I'm not going to say, yes, run out and buy this. No, that's not me. That's not who I am. I need to run it first. This is just an unboxing video. I wanted you guys to see this product and to get a feel for what it offers. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Also, click the notification bell so you always know when we put out a new video. And if you like this video, check out our other tool reviews right up here in this playlist. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you over in one of those videos.